इस फिल्म का जो आइडिया है वो मुझे एक नाटक को देखने के बाद लगा.
For me, like someone like, say, Dhruv Rathi, he's done some amazing stuff for whatever he's been doing.
I love a lot of the comedians that are there because I feel like they put in a lot of effort and energy and they're constantly creating a very unique content. You know, someone like a Jamie Lever who does a great job.
I love Jamie.
Yeah.
I was in college with him.
So,
Yeah, because they, like you said, so one is the people who are thinkers, contributors. One is people, okay, I just want you to have a good time.
Yeah.
And you know, so I think they are again doing great stuff.
Yeah, it's
ऐसे तो मैं भाग्यश्री जी का बहुत बड़ा फैन हूँ. सोशल मीडिया इन्फ्लुएंसर कमाल की हैं वो.
Tuesday tips.
हाँ, yes.
You know, that also matters on your own algorithm.
Correct.
Because now the algorithm will set itself according to what you consume so
Very
much.
important point.
Yeah.
So it just depends on what side
It
of
just
the
keeps
perspective
feeding
you
you
are.
that. आप जो देख रहे हैं, you know, वो जैसा करेगा वैसा भरेगा, वो सिस्टम है पागल. तो अगर आप इंस्टाग्राम पे या जो भी XYZ आप ऐसे वीडियो देख रहे हैं, वो ऑटोमेटिकली फीड में आते रहेंगे. व्हेन यू ओपन इट आपको वही उस किस्म के उस ट्रेंड ऑफ थॉट के जो या शी सेड इट राइट ऑन कि आप किस तरह के सोच
आप जैसे हैं वैसे ही आपको चीजें दिखेंगी.
My first question is to Avinash sir. आपको ये फिल्म बनाने का आइडिया कहाँ से आया? Is it inspired from something you've seen around?
देखिए क्या है कि हम लोगों को जो है वो
ही कॉपीड इट
दुनिया-
फ्रॉम चेकोस्लोवाकियन पे.
Yeah. That's where it's from.
जितने सारे आइडियाज़ मिलते हैं अपने देश, अपने समाज, पूरी दुनिया से ही मिलते हैं. लेकिन इस फिल्म का जो आइडिया है वो मुझे एक नाटक को देखने के बाद लगा. और पुनर्वसु बहुत ही यंग राइटर हैं, बहुत ही ब्रिलियंट राइटर हैं, थिएटर पर्सनैलिटी भी हैं, म्यूज़िक के बंदे भी हैं. तो उन्होंने एक नाटक किया था सेम सिचुएशन, सेम किरदारों के साथ. और फिर इस सिनेमा को बनने की पूरी कहानी शुरू हुई और तब मैं उसमें घुसा. इस तरीके से ये सिनेमा जो है संभव हो पाया.
फिल्म के ट्रेलर में काफ़ी सोशल मीडिया का रेफरेंस है. तो पर्सनली आप कोई सोशल मीडिया इन्फ्लुएंसर को फॉलो करते हो जो, या फिर कोई ऐसा इन्फ्लुएंसर जो आप बहुत देखते हो, पसंद करते हो?
You know, I actually have quite a bit of respect for influencers because during the lockdown pandemic, the work that they did, the way that they were able to organize ventilators, medical aid to people who didn't have access to it, they were really doing some phenomenal, I think, work and service to the community and to society. So, and they're also entrepreneurs in themselves. You know, the way that they have to sort of craft and build a business and an audience and that sort of thing. So I have an immense respect for social media influencers. It's a different world. I know very little about it, but from whatever little I do, I know I can see the hard work that goes into it.
For me, like someone like, say, Dhruv Rathi, he's done some amazing stuff for whatever he's been doing. He started from basic knowledge about certain things, and then he got into social, political, XYZ. And I think that in the true sense is what you call an influencer, because you are also contributing with your work. It's not just एक spin लिया साड़ी change हो गया. Not one of those, you know, where there is a contribution which is definite, makes you think, makes you question, and I think that's very important. So whether you are in the field of art, you could be a sports person, you could be a gymnast, you could be an artist, a singer, a dancer. Great platform, you know, where you kind of exhibit your art. Where before 50 लोग आपको कोई आपके छोटे से गांव में एक मंडल में, you know, आप परफॉर्म करते थे. आज 5 मिलियन 50 मिलियन लोग आपको देख सकते हैं उस माध्यम के जरिए. I think that's a great thing. But like I said, a lot of 90% I think is trash. 10% is really good stuff where people are doing some things which are really, I think, admirable.
I mean, I think I honestly love a lot of the comedians that are there because I feel like they put in a lot of effort and energy and they're constantly creating a very unique content, which at the end of the day makes us laugh. And that's what social media should be all about. It's not supposed to be taken too seriously. And it's a medium of entertainment. And to me they provide the entertainment that I go on social media for, you know, without making me feel burdened about things or, you know, all of those things. I think, you know, someone like a Jamie Lever who does a great job.
I love Jamie. I was in college with him.
So,
Yeah, because they, like you said, so
Yeah,
one
yeah.
is the people who are
Yeah.
thinkers, contributors. One is people, okay, I just want you to have a good time.
Yeah.
And you know, so I think they are again doing great.
it's, yeah, it's,
ऐसे तो मैं
either
भाग्यश्री जी का बहुत बड़ा फैन हूँ, सोशल मीडिया इन्फ्लुएंसर कमाल की हैं वो.
Tuesday tips.
हाँ, यस.
The film is a Holi release. Do you guys have any fond memories of Holi on set या personally?
Oh yes.
On set to kill.
On set?
On set.
तो पूरा गाना.
He did not
It was
have
hard work.
fun.
It was hard work. No, our job is to create the illusion of fun and also to have fun. But Holi is really one of my favorite festivals. It's such something very heartwarming about Holi. There's something really special about Holi. And there's also something which is very Indian about Holi. I think it kind of really encapsulates the sort of variety and the sort of the manifold nature of our culture. You know, the colorful aspect, of course, but I think that the colorfulness symbolizes something else. It symbolizes different particles which come together to form one whole, which is, I think, what our nation is. So Holi is very representative of that. I really feel it's a very special, it's a festival which has a very near and dear place in my heart. I really love Holi.
I remember as kids, you know, हमारे cousin के terrace पे वो छोटा inflatable pool हाँ लगता था, and all of us kids would be there. There would be more kids than water in that little pool, but doing that, being absolutely spoiled brats, throwing water balloons on everyone who's walking by.
building से एकदम.
वो building से.
अरे बाप रे.
You know, just having that allowance for masti on that day.
Yeah,
You know, you're allowed.
that is.
नहीं मेरा आई रिमेम्बर मैं स्कूल में था एंड रात एक शाम पहले से फुग्गे भरना शुरू होते थे.
Yeah.
वो फुग्गे लाके वो के 50 पैसे का पैकेट होता था उस बार में, और वो रात को फुग्गे, अच्छा वो फुग्गे भी मतलब इतने ज्यादा बड़े नहीं होने चाहिए,
Yeah,
इतने
the right
हाथ में आ जाए
size,
थे.
हाँ.
हाँ, और वो इतने कड़क भी होने चाहिए, नरम होते फटते नहीं हो. तो वो फुग्गे भर के रात भर वो बाल्टी में भर के इतना बड़ा, और वो फुग्गे भर के ऊपर घर पे बैठे हैं, नीचे से बाहर. अब गलत सही उस टाइम पे हमने ठीक है,
बच्चे
पेन पिचकारी लेके आनी, कौन लेटेस्ट
Yeah,
गन वाली पिचकारी,
yeah.
और उसमें रंग. सो इट वाज फन. देन थोड़ा जब when we grew up, then it became eggs,
Oh,
and it became those
eggs तो-
dye colors which can't be washed off. It was a little ugly. अभी भी लोग करते थे. It was like grease
और
and that silver color.
Very
Yeah,
bad,
that's
very
it.
और
bad.
फिर वो 15 दिन तक वो कलर नहीं निकला, आपको पूरा लेके स्कूल
You
में
see,
जा
look,
रहे
your face only like that
Yeah.
only now.
So वो सब था. We went through that, and of course, I mean, there are some elements who try to kind of misbehave,
Misuse it.
Yeah,
misuse
absolutely.
in this whole thing where people are loving and doing this with a lot of love, and then you know, so वो है, वो तो you'll find these kind of people around, but otherwise, like she said,
मैं बताऊं, चूंकि मैं तो गांव से हूँ,
right,
तो होली का जो हमारा रिश्ता रंगों से जितना था, सेम म्यूजिक से भी उतना ही था. क्योंकि हमारे गांव की होली बिना गीतों के पूरी ही नहीं होती थी. अभी भी होली में बहुत सारे लोग जो यहाँ वहाँ परदेश में कमाने गए हैं, वो गांव में आते हैं होली के वक्त में. कोई ढोलक बजाता है, कोई मंजीरा बजाता है, और राग बेस्ड गाने गाते हैं.
अच्छा.
होली का संग खेलो
ओहो,
बालम हमारो बिदे.
अरे
इस तरह के गाने जो है वो बजते रहे.
Lovely.
अभी now they'll have digital Holi, I think.
It's like
मैं यहाँ से रंग फेंकूंगा,
वहाँ से आएगा फोन पे.
सोशल मीडिया ऐसी चीज़ है जो अच्छे के लिए भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं, बुरे के लिए भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं. सो इट्स ईजी टू क्रिएट डिफरेंसेस एज वेल, बट यूनाइट करने के लिए भी काफ़ी काम आता है. तो आपके पर्सपेक्टिव से what do you think social media does the most? Like, does it help in bringing people together, or is it easier to create differences through it?
You know, that also matters on your own algorithm.
Correct.
Because now the algorithm will set itself according to what you consume so
Very
much.
important point.
Yeah.
So it just depends on what
It
side of
just
the
is
perspective
feeding
you
you
are.
that. आप जो देख रहे हैं, you know, वो जैसा करेगा वैसा भरेगा, वो सिस्टम है पागल. तो अगर आप इंस्टाग्राम पे या जो भी XYZ आप ऐसे वीडियो देख रहे हैं, वो ऑटोमेटिकली फीड में आते रहेंगे. व्हेन यू ओपन इट, आपको वही उस किस्म के उस ट्रेंड ऑफ थॉट के जो या शी सेड इट राइट ऑन कि आप किस तरह के सोच
आप जैसे हैं
हाँ।
वैसे ही आपको चीज़ें दिखेंगी। करेक्ट।
Okay, so what do you all want people to take away from your film in Galiyon mein?
The fact ekta, unity, harmony, peace and love, and I think also to answer your last question, I think that social media can also be an instrument or a tool for the spreading of love and positivity. रौनक फैलाई जा सकती है, खुशी फैलाई जा सकती है. We can champion each other, we can support each other, we can spread positivity as well on social media. Unfortunately, a lot of people end up sometimes spreading negativity. So I think it's our job as citizens and as artists to try and correct that in whatever way that we can. And this film is an effort in that direction, to hope that we as a society move towards a healthier place.
Yeah, and also we have to learn to recognize narratives in social media. थोड़ा समझदार होना पड़ेगा कि ये क्या कहना चाह रहा है, क्या कहना चाह रही है, मकसद क्या है उसका. फेक इंफॉर्मेशन बिगेस्ट मतलब मोस्ट हार्मफुल था विद फेक. मिस इन्फॉर्मेशन एक होता है और एक डिस इन्फॉर्मेशन होता है विच इज़ लाइक द वर्स्ट द लोएस्ट फॉर्म. आपको पीपल जस्ट फॉरवर्ड, अरे मैं आया, मेरी माँ की बात कर रहा हूँ, और देखो ये आया, अरे मैंने माँ ये फेक है, यू नो. अब पीपल दैट्स व्हाट दे डू. देखो हमको भेजा है व्हाट्सएप पे, है देखो है. एंड वी डोंट सी कि आजकल तो विद AI एंड ऑल यू कैन चेंज फेसेस, चेंज वॉइसेस, पुट एनीथिंग यू वांट. सो इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू चेक बिफोर यू फॉरवर्ड. आई थिंक आई डू दैट इन माई फ्रेंड सर्कल. ऐसे बस चेक करो देन यू फॉरवर्ड. आई ऑलवेज चेक, जो मेरे पास आता है आई विल चेक whether this is fake or not, and then if I need to forward it. Otherwise, that's the mess today. जो प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है वो यही फॉरवर्ड से हो रहा है, एंड बिलीव करना कि हाँ ये तो सच है भैया. आई थिंक इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. आप सोच समझ के.
Listening to your answer, like, do you think there should be a censor board for social media as well?
No.
जैसे films के लिए होता है.
No, that becomes very dangerous because then whoever's in power can push forward their narrative and say this is harmful.
It's their narrative.
Yeah. So I think you should let it remain open, and it's for people to judge. And I love the people who, I think the great job is the guy who those fake news who clarify. What are they called? Who
Fact checkers, basically.
Fact
Fact
checkers.
checkers, yes.
I think they are they're doing a great service because ये आपने वीडियो यहाँ से लिया है, ये ऑडियो यहाँ से लिया है, and they put it together and say fake. So I think they're doing a great service, and that's very important.